Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about a premium luxury residential project in Bangalore. The name of this project is Brigade Avalon located on Whitefield Main Road. In this video, we are going to talk about project overview, location advantages, connectivity, amenities, lifestyle, pricing, configuration, booking process and much more. So starting with the overview, Brigade Avalon is a premium low-density luxury residential development located in the heart of Whitefield, which is one of the Bengaluru's most sought-after IT and residential hub. This project is ideal for buyers who are looking for a spacious home, more privacy, and a high-end lifestyle in a prime location. The project is spread across approximately 4 acres and 14 guntas, with only 206 exclusive residences. It features 3 high-rise towers with a structure of 2 basement plus ground plus 15 floors, and the homes here are spacious 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK layouts designed for low-density living with a larger floor plans. And of course, it comes with a premium construction quality that Brigade Group is known for. Now talking about the location, so Whitefield offers a great mix of connectivity, lifestyle and a long-term appreciation potential. From the project, Manipal Hospital Whitefield is about 5 minutes away. Hove Palm Junction is also around 5 minutes away. Channasandra Metro Station and Kodugodi Tree Park Metro Station are both within 10 minutes, and the Outer Ring Road is roughly 20 minutes away. And this makes daily commuting and access to key areas very convenient. Moving on to the lifestyle, so Brigade Avalon offers a thoughtfully curated range of modern amenities. You get a fully equipped gym with aerobics, a yoga deck, reflexology walk, a dedicated spa space, and a temperature-controlled swimming pool. There are badminton and squash court, indoor games and a table tennis, a mini theater and a golf simulator. For social and leisure time, there is a party terrace, banquet hall, reception lounge, and an open cafe space. There is also a business center for work from home needs, along with the EV charging enabled parking for every home. So overall, it's designed to give you a complete luxury living experience. Now let's take a look at the pricing and configuration. So the 3.5 BHK homes, which come with a study and powder room, ranges between 2,765 to 2,779 square feet, starting at 4.62 crore rupees onwards. A larger 3.5 BHK layout at 2,933 square feet starts from 4.76 crore rupees onwards, and the 4 BHK with a maid's room at 3,862 square feet starts from 6.67 crore rupees onwards. And these homes come with a spacious living area, larger balconies, dedicated study space, and a premium specification, all designed for a luxurious lifestyle. And now coming to the booking process, so booking for Brigade Avalon are currently open for serious buyers. In a prime location like Whitefield, low-density luxury projects are limited, so making an early decision can definitely be an advantage. For the brochure, detailed pricing, payment plans, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you're looking for a premium lifestyle home or a strong investment opportunity in Bangalore, then Brigade Avalon is definitely worth considering. Our NRI clients from the US, UK, UAE, Europe and Singapore can also connect with us through the same link. And if you enjoy premium luxury residential videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.